How you doing? Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Please check out the description box for all the nice links. Also drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Check out the top right eye as well for even more nice links, and her channel is right up there. So today she's gonna test her computer knowledge because I just bought myself a bunch of new computer parts and we're gonna be building a nice computer. I'm gonna show you all of these as well. Hopefully you'll see what she's pointing at back there because I'm gonna ask her a bunch of questions. I have this.
She has a handy
back
thing.
scratcher.
Back scratcher. Very nasty back scratcher. But
Yeah, so I'm just gonna hold it right here.
So I'm gonna be asking her a few basic questions about
Basic question which will be hard for me.
yeah, very hard for her, but easy for me and fun for me as well. Fun for you guys too. So I'll be asking you a few questions about some stuff, and you're gonna point to what you think the correct part is.
Okay, got it.
Do you know anything about computers?
Nope.
You know a little, right? You know a little.
Yeah,
You're a gamer.
I know one thing. RAM.
You know RAM.
I have
okay,
no RAM.
So we're set on the RAM. The RAM is set. We'll see.
I know the different parts, but I don't know what they look like. So
Yeah.
that's will be that.
Because I built her computer. She didn't look inside her computer. She just wanted it built and it was done so she could play her games. Okay. All right, if you guys want, you can guess for yourselves, write it down or just check it out, see if she does a good job, and write in the comment section as well how you think she's gonna do. Yeah, we both gonna have a lot of fun now. All right?
Yep.
So
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
My first question to you is gonna be a pretty complicated one. So I'm not letting you go easy here.
Okay.
Okay. When you build a computer, you need a basic part, very basic part, which you put everything on. Okay.
Okay, that I know. That's an easy one.
That's an easy one. You think it's easy? Okay. So give me a point on what you think it is.
It has to be that one. I mean that's where all the stuff is.
That's where all the stuff is, but it's not the
Oh,
thing.
okay.
Except for this.
Can you repeat your question?
Okay.
Okay.
So it's like a big piece where you put all the stuff.
Okay.
Okay. And then you put that thing into there.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. It's not that. Maybe it's that thing.
This one.
Yeah.
Good job.
But it's because you said that it was big.
Okay, all right. But I gave you a little
I would
hint.
like have guessed that or something. Okay, not that. Another thing.
That. How are you gonna put all stuff on that? She pointed at that. Okay.
Okay. The question number 2.
What do you think it's called?
Gigabyte. No, gigabyte is the memory.
That's so cute. Okay, save your brain.
Gigabyte, terabyte.
Okay, that's good.
And megabyte.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Good job. Read on the bottom of the board what it says.
Motherboard.
Motherboard.
Motherboard. What?
Yeah, it's a motherboard.
It's like mother.
Yeah. Are you serious?
Motherboard.
Yes, motherboard.
Okay.
Good job. You did
Makes
it.
sense. Mother.
Good.
No.
Yeah. Right.
Foundation of everything.
Foundation of
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
Woman, mother. Okay. So that was number 1. You did good.
Okay.
So my next question for you is: which of these parts do you think is the most expensive?
The most expensive, and I think it's a small one actually.
You think so?
Yeah. That one?
That one.
Yeah.
You're very close, but it's not that one. Very
which
very
one
close.
is it?
You guess again. So it's not the
Okay.
smallest one, but I can tell you the smallest one is the second most expensive.
I knew it.
Yeah. Good job.
Okay, but that one.
That one.
Vengeance LPX.
No, that's not it.
What?
Try again. 3 guesses. You get 3 guesses. Try one.
Okay. I have no idea. Okay, maybe that one.
The hard drive.
No,
You sure?
not the hard drive.
Okay.
Not the hard drive. Either that one or that one.
One of those two.
Yeah, that one.
That one.
Yeah, Corsair.
That one. Are you sure?
Corsair CV650.
Are you sure? Okay.
I only have 3
Not
guesses.
even close. You were closer with the smallest one. Okay. You know which one it is. You want to know?
No, I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know.
That one.
Oh,
The
you mean close that way. Okay.
Yes. Nothing.
Graphic card!
No.
Graphic card!
I keep telling
I
her
knew
what
it.
it is. You failed that
Okay.
one, but
Okay,
you were
then.
close. You got the second most expensive one. You had a good idea there, the smallest one is the most expensive. This is a good idea.
It's usually that way. So.
Usually it is. Good.
I was close, eh?
She was close. Third question. Okay, you guys ready for the third question? What gives power to all the other parts? Which one part gives power to all the other parts?
Gives power. Okay. That is RAM.
How is that gonna give power to?
No.
Okay,
it's not my
okay.
guess. I'm just saying. What is that?
She wants to know.
Okay, that one. Power supply. I found it. It says power supply.
She knows how to read. Good job.
Power supply.
Tip number 1, read the
Read the
boxes.
box.
Good job. Okay, so you got that one right. Good,
Okay, yay.
good. We'll put up the points as the videos goes along, okay? But good
Okay.
job. My fourth question.
This is 4.
This
for
is number
Suraj.
4.
You had 8 fingers up.
Oh, I had 8.
Then you said 4.
Okay, 4 then. 4. So when you're storing stuff in your computer,
Okay.
files and all this stuff, what parts here, there's actually 2 parts here where you store stuff in. So let me know which parts those are when you're storing your files and everything.
Oh, it's the RAM data and the hard drive.
Wow. Okay. All right. She gave us a bonus one right there with the RAM data because I taught her about the programming. See, she remembers the RAM that it stores stuff. But that's good.
Yep.
Actually, your files are also stored on the RAM, but not in that way. I was asking.
I know, no.
But
I forget it.
okay.
I was thinking something, then it went away. So
Well, if the computer is running, you can store some stuff in the
exactly.
RAM, right? And
Exactly.
the hard drive is where you save the file. Okay. But good job. Okay,
it's a long-term memory.
Oh, which
and
one?
the hard
Which one
drive.
is long term?
The RAM.
What is long term? Short
Hard
term.
drive.
Yeah, right?
Hard drive is a long-term.
Yeah, because the hard drive can save the memory for as long as you want, right? But the RAM is only there for quick access.
Oh, okay.
Good, so she got that one right, plus bonus. So bonus point for you. So which question is this?
Question 5.
5, right? 5. Okay, so 5. Now my 5th question to you is, what is the brain of the computer?
The brain. Okay, I know. It's the smallest one.
Hey,
I just say no.
Good job. Okay, so you got it the smallest one, okay? Now, what is it called? I wanna know what it's called from you. Do a guess, a wild guess.
I have to think.
You get 10 seconds.
No, wait, you're stressing me out. Not graphic card. Computer brain?
Computer brain. But it's called the CPU, the Central Processing Unit.
I've never heard of it.
She just forgot. I told you all this before. Long time ago.
Sorry, sometimes I just don't listen to you.
All times. Good job.
Processor in Swedish.
So number 6.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm
Quick
used to
math.
it being 7. You know.
What cools the CPU? Which one of these parts
The
is?
fan.
Yeah.
And
Which
it's
one?
right there.
Okay, that was an easy one. Okay, that was too easy. Okay. Let me make this harder for you. How does it work?
Spins. What? You asked me how it works.
Oh my god, it spins, guys.
What?
And
What is the correct
just
answer?
works.
What is the correct
Look at
answer?
it. It sucks up the heat through those metal pipes, and then the fan blows that heat out.
It spins.
It spins.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else do you want?
It spins. Okay. Okay. So I asked you which one was the most expensive part.
Yeah.
I didn't ask you which one was the cheapest.
Oh,
So which one do you think is the cheapest?
I think it's the hard drive actually.
Okay. Good. Now there are actually 2 hard drives back there. Okay, there's in the back and there's that one in the package. Which one of those do you think is the cheaper
Which
one?
is bigger?
The back one.
Obviously. Okay, that one is cheaper.
Good. Okay, that was the easy one. Okay, I'm running out of questions here. That was it. But I'm gonna give you a really tough last question. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so for our last question, we've been waiting for this. So I want you to tell me in what order you put these parts together.
Oh,
okay,
no.
and this is gonna be fun. We're gonna see what she thinks. Okay. And now you should know some information about what all these parts are. And you already know what this thing is, right? We don't even have to take that.
But do you have to do it in an order?
Yeah, the order.
Can't you just,
Yeah, it's an order. It's kind of an order, So maybe you can get it right. So start pointing at number 1 and then go from there, okay?
Okay. I guess the biggest one has to be put in first.
Which one is the biggest one?
That one.
Okay, so what? Wait. So what do you open first? What package would you open first to start building the computer?
Screwdriver.
That's the tool. What of these packages do you open first?
Okay. That one maybe.
Okay, you got that right.
Okay, number one.
Okay.
Number two.
But what was that again? Read the box.
Motherboard.
Okay, so motherboard. So now you have the.
I have to. Yeah.
The base. Okay.
Okay, the motherboard first, and then does it matter?
It kind of does. It kind of does. It
okay.
makes life easier, you know. So you think like, you know, you can put some of these together in different orders, but this is just for fun. You don't have to be correct. So just go ahead and guess.
Okay.
And then I'll tell you. Okay.
Maybe the graphic card.
You could. Yeah. Okay. Pretty
When
good.
do you put the power supply? Do you do it at the end?
I put it in kind of at the end. Once I've put the motherboard into the chassis.
Okay, so power supply at the end. You can't help me.
Okay, sorry.
I'm asking. I'm just testing
frustrating.
you. I'm just testing you.
Okay.
Maybe the fan also at the end.
But what do you put the fan on top of? What is the fan for?
Cooling the right.
Cooling the what?
Cooling the.
What's that?
Processor.
The processor, right?
Processor. So.
Yeah, so that cools the processor. So if that cools...
So you need to put the processor first and then the cooler. Okay.
Good.
Is it called cooler? What is it called?
It's a processor cooler. CPU cooler.
Processor cooler, and then RAM, hard drive, and then power supply.
Good. Okay. Good. She did pretty good. I mean, what
I usually cheated a little. You told me.
I was helping you along, so it's good. We don't want you to fail totally here. Okay, so what I usually do, I put the motherboard, I put the CPU in the motherboard, and the cooler on top, because then you can hold the motherboard like this. And then I put the whole thing, I put some RAM on there too, and then I put the whole thing in this, and then I put the graphics card in, and then the power supply.
Ooh, it's kind of hot.
It's hot, right?
It's kind of hot.
Yeah, that's how you get girls. What are you gonna do with this? Take this away from me.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
It has done his job.
So I think you got a lot of points, but you did a great job, okay? Tell her she did a great job. Go check out her channel.
Thank you.
Go subscribe to her channel.
Check out my channel.
Yeah, do it. You see a lot of me on there too. Thank you for checking this out. Drop a like, subscribe, and check out our other channels. Also, check out my Patreon link in the description if you want to support me that way. Otherwise, just keep watching the videos. That means a lot. And hopefully I will see you in the next one, all right? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.